Okay, in this case, 好，在这个案例里面 ，we can see our data frame here. It means how do we illustrate these four groups? Okay, four clusters. First, okay, I think we print it. The layout is just like here, and we print it. Copy of this part, okay? To first, we will analyze. There are four clusters. Cluster 1, 0 第一群 H 记得 because H have already standardization, so when it is close to 0 means close to mean, 对不对？接近0就代表它接近平均数，对吧？ It's smaller means it's young. It means it's old, right? It's right? Okay. So in H, maybe 我们说它是 medium, 中年 middle H. 好，我们会说 class 1 is young man, young people. Class 2 is more old. 好，然后这个应该是比较是 H 是。我们在描述这个轮廓，中老年。好，性别 because sex close to 0 is no means male, 1 means the female， 所以它这个是什么？低于 0.5 的就是 male。sex 要它的 sex 是 male。好，第一个是男性，最后一个也是男性。群这群但不代表这群都是男性，是谁是众数？好，这群呢是 female。女性，好，然后来咯，收入 income， 这个是 low， 比较低的，因为低于平均嘛，哈。然后这个呢是 very low， 因为它已经到负1了，这个是 very high。然后这个是，这个是 low。好，然后呢，已婚未婚，below 0.5 is no， 所以他们都是 yes。这个是 children 的情况，好 ，etc. Okay, but for this four part is one high encoder, right? So this four part is one high encoder. So when we mention region， 要4个一起考量 region， 这4个哪一个最高就是它住哪里。所以 region, I think rural。不是，应该是town，是住在town的。 然后这个呢 ，this one is lived in inner city. And this one is lived in 这一群是两个数字最高，也是 inner city。所以我跟你讲，有钱人跟穷的人都会住在市中心的。OK。And group three I think is inner city. 几乎，但是一就是全部都住这里。All the people live here. OK. So we can 给他一个 profile. Profile means 轮廓。For marketing. 就是 label 这些人，我们可以用行销的 for marketing target label. You can determine the label yourself. 有没有常听到人家讲什么顶特族啊，什么小资族啊，这些就是。所以我们可以说，这个 H2 这个呢，就是住在市中心、事业有成的女强人啊，女强人，市中心年纪大的女强人，因为收入也很高嘛，这个这个 Group 3呢，或者是 Group 2，Group 1就是从中年，然后薪水很低，住在城镇的人。For example, you can give the label for each profile. But finally, actually, we want to know when we use it to predict whether it is buy or not to buy. How can we do? We can use it. If we want to know if we want to make the cluster to predict what OK， 那我们就要讲 x equal。We use the k-means to dot predict x。print 我们用 cross table， 就是这个表格来比 bank 的 BD 跟 X 的预测是不是一样 ？Cross table OK, so first group is predict as no. Cluster no， 对吧 ？Cluster no， 然后 Cluster one 也是 no， 那 Cluster two 就是会买哦，只有 Cluster two 会买 ，Cluster 3也不会买。好，所以只有 Cluster two 会买，合不合理 ？Only Cluster two will buy， 因为它的状况确实是最好的，对吧？你回到这边，它这边是不是说多数这边 Cluster two 会 buy 的是这个 ？Others, oh no, do not buy. Because it's an imbalanced data, isn't it? 对吧？好，那我们要算正确率的话呢，first we can copy this part. Shift， 你用 Shift Window 再加 S 可以复制画面哈。So plus will buy. 其他都不会跟你买金融商品了。The others will not buy. And this is the first one. The second one, we will have to find the accuracy. The cluster to predict classification equal ACC equal accuracy equal. 好，那我们就要用多数决哈。The first is 100. The second one is the larger is the correct one, right? The larger is the correct one. The final one is the not to buy, so it's 58. So we divide it to 600, and we got no final result. The final accuracy is this. Okay? So I'm waiting for you. This is the final accuracy. I'm waiting for you.